Hello.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. Pile on in.
Wow, this is my first time in a CyberTruck.
Yeah.
Me too.
Poor Jen.
She's
Push.
so cute.
Push up.
There you go.
This is not your Honda Civic.
Oh my God, congratulations.
Oh, thank you. What a cool car.
Thank you.
I would have never been able to be in one.
Navigate to the Montauk.
I'm laughing because the Tesla assistant on my dad's car doesn't understand his accent, so I never
Oh, really?
yeah.
That's pretty funny.
I was like, do you want me to change it to a different language? She's like, no, this is fine. Is this car energy efficient?
Very, yeah.
Oh.
No gas. I mean, it's super cheap to operate. I've already saved over 4,000 in gas in 5 months.
What? Well,
Yeah.
I guess because you're Ubering now or lifting.
Well, just because it's just so cheap, and I've gone 23,000 miles. So, and a lot of that's road trips. I've been in 10 different states already in it. So, yeah.
Is this the car with the trunk closing issues?
Oh, I saw that with
Do you
people
have all
with,
your
carrots.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, in the beginning, it wasn't calibrated very well, and it was pretty strong. So they've fixed that since, but yeah, I mean, there's a lot of memes about this car, obviously.
I know. Which is why I'm asking so many questions.
Yeah. No, you're good.
Someone in the neighborhood, Jen, where I walk there, just got one, and it just looks very out of place, in that neighborhood.
Yeah.
Very traditional looking houses.
Oh, we're so close.
Yeah.
We're so close.
I know, we need to scooter at some point. Maybe
What?
we
Oh,
scooter
are
to the
there
candle
scooters?
place.
Oh.
Wait, are there scooters?
Yeah, there are.
I love a good scooter. Not after the froze tree.
That's fine.
I'm just kidding.
Just scooter a little quicker.
Oh, that time was driving is quite good too.
Yeah, it's been great, and we only had it 3 days. We just got the download, so
Oh yeah, I was gonna
so
say.
yeah, you
For
can
the self-driving?
yeah,
Oh.
you can see all the different cars and the people.
Oh, they really updated
You can see the people
I do
way the hell
remember
over
when
there.
it would say the Teslas would see the people in the graveyard.
Oh yeah. I think that's another myth, but no,
Oh yeah.
I saw people would do it, but I think that it was probably edited.
maybe yeah. Because I've tried it.
Or
and-
maybe Tesla programmed it to try and be clever. I don't know.
Yeah. You never know. That's always a possibility. Always a possibility.
Did you have a different Tesla?
Yeah, I've had them for 10 years, so
Okay.
this is I've had all of them at one point, but
Do you still get superchargers for free now?
no, don't.
Oh,
I know, what a ripoff.
I feel like
No,
that
I
was
mean,
the
you-
promised land of being an early adopter.
Oh, I know. That was so cool. I actually went, because of that, when I got my first one, I did a 48 state road trip
Wow.
for free.
Wow.
Yeah, it was great. So I got the heck out of Phoenix for 4 months and went everywhere else.
Wow.
I was going to be really dumb and be like, where are the states that you missed? Probably Hawaii and Alaska.
There you go. Yes.
Wow, Erica.
I know, I'm so smart.
Using that business
I mean,
school degree.
you could have technically probably driven to Alaska, but that would have been,
Yeah, that would have been tough.
yeah.
Really tough.
Should have put lotion on your hands.
I know, it's okay, we'll be back soon enough.
Yeah.
When's the big date?
March 8th.
March, okay.
Yeah, it's a
Cool.
little while.
You gotta get time.
Had to come while it was nice and toasty still.
Well, you probably
Not
didn't
this
know it was
toasty.
gonna be this toasty, right?
No, that wasn't
Well,
the
I
original
was
plan.
when I was Googling averages,
85,
it was
90.
supposed to be high of 90.
Yeah.
And then we're like, oh. Because
Yeah.
I was trying to avoid above 100.
Yeah, no, we did not help you in that regard, unfortunately.
think next weekend is much better for you.
Probably right after you leave.
Yeah, exactly.
When's the last time it rained here?
Is that way more good?
I don't know.
We noticed a lot of the cacti,
Cacti.
whatever. Were looking like they're struggling a little bit
Oh.
on like some of the trails.
Oh yeah. I'm pulling up here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Easiest for you.
I guess we should. That's the one there.
That's a cafe.
Does this work or do you want to go in the back?
This is fine.
This is fine.
Sure? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thanks, you guys.
Thank you.
How do I exit? Is it this?
Can I use your clips for my YouTube channel or no?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
Thanks. That's that one. Yeah. Just press that and push out.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.